Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is a unique car. It's a 2019 Cadillac XTS Eagle Coach Kingsley. Four-way clear strobes in the front grille. You do also have fender strobes as well. As you can see, it is a beautiful silver with a black tuxedo top. No pinstripe, but we can add one if you'd like. Polished 18-inch wheels, very factory wheel setup on this car. I think they look fantastic. They play off the silver and the BNC pillar chrome along with the crown band. Inside you have a light gray interior with a Alicante floor. Everything on this car is immaculate. It has 21,000 original miles. If you're looking for a silver Cadillac hearse, this is a wonderful option as it's the last sedan we'll ever see. It is immaculate. The previous owner was a local funeral home to us, and they kept perfect condition of this car. You have fully composite doors here, fully composite body, and fully composite rear load door. So you can see all these door jambs are in perfect shape. We have not touched this car. We cleaned it very little and just wanted to put it online. This is how the car came in. Reconditioning on this is going to be so simple because the car was just purely taken care of. And I want to stress that not every car we take in is this nice, and this one stands out and has almost no miles on it at all. 21,000 miles on a 19. It does have an open church truck well here. It does have the flip up door, so it's the premium option. This door pops up, gives you access underneath. I mean, look at the carpet. There's not even a dent in the carpet from a church truck. There's no marks. There's no drag marks. There's no missing paint. This car is in great, great, great shape. Black tuxedo top is in killer condition. No marks, no scratches, no gouges. Beer pin is still intact. Wheel boxes are in excellent shape. There's not even a mark on them. The lights do kick on. I just had this door open for a minute here as our mic died the first time we tried to do this. So it does have 6 lights down the center. It does have a pull-out Extend-a-Sill. You just pull this thing out, drop it right down, nice and easy, protects that rear bumper. As you can see, the previous owner was accustomed to doing that, as there's very little marks on this bumper at all. Just a few marks here from a church truck. This step plate is going to be replaced as it has died back a little bit. Very common issue. We do have a permanent fix for that. 2 fixed beer pins up front, a whole plethora of 10-pin plates down the center. So if you want to run a urn enclave, as this one does not have, you can run that in here, or if you're looking to do child's caskets as well, they will fit in the back of this coach. Quick adjust beer pin is stored in the load door, my favorite option overall. And then one thing I always forget to mention is it does have casket bumperettes on the side here. They can be removed or replaced if need be, but they are available. Closing this composite rear load door, you do have the backup camera as well, located right under here. Very nice and easy. Once again, silver exterior with a black top, as you can see behind me. Every single exterior option possible. The crown band, the BNC pillar chrome, and then the 4-way clear strobes and the fender strobes as well. Full-size spare is tucked underneath there. It does have a closed well on this side, so you get more structural capability, and it does allow for more storage underneath. There is an umbrella tray down below as well. 2 chrome nameplate holders on both number 2 doors, and then you do have full black leather on the driver's compartment, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel. On a 19, you get not only AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Once again, you get that backup camera. Remote start, push to start, 21,000 miles. Take that in mind, 21,000 miles, 2019 Cadillac XTS, Eagle Coach Kingsley, all composite body, will survive the test of time and taken care of like it was babied from day one. It looks like we are in 2019 and I'm delivering this as a new car properly. Give me a call, 800-229-5008. This is one I guarantee you do not want to miss out on. Thank you very much and talk to you soon.